Good morning, it's Wednesday morning and we're going to Stirling Castle this morning. We booked. Hi there, I'm Colin Begg.
And I'm Christine.
And together we are the Begg Family Antics. We now have a web shop available at beggfamily.uk/shop. It's gone 10:30, so we're heading off now for our trip to Stirling Castle, where we have to get the tickets on arrival using the QR code in the email to get printed tickets to show at the gate. Funny, Christine just spotted a bit of a view. Who's he? And we're in a queue for the collection booth. It's very fast printing. Whack, whack, 2 printers, 2 tickets. This is Queen Anne's garden.
That's not real.
No, not in colour it won't be. Here's how they were made, from skeletons they found. Outer defences. The forework is over there. Christine's working the lights. Great Hall is over here.
Kitchen.
Great kitchens. There's the great kitchens. This is the Nether Bailey, whatever that means. It looks like workers' houses.
No, where the Nick.
Powder magazines. Oh my gosh, if that lot goes up you'd know about it. The wardrobe department, there you are. Because I know. The King's household. Master oh, hello. There's the King's old building. There's the Chapel Royal. And there's James V Palace. The casemates, this is where we are. Vaulted room designed to withstand artillery fire. Lovely cannon. Christine spotted this one, it's a brush and a comb. The brush at the top, obviously no bristles. The comb at the bottom, quite a fine comb. This is a key to the castle. Yeah, cunning. This one's for Sophie's benefit. We're heading over to the chapel and then the Great Hall before coming back for the Stirling Heads Gallery, which is actually the originals are upstairs. The ones we saw just now are copies while they've been restored upstairs. Christine noticed the different material here. This seems to be sandstone. Tapestry over the main fireplace. View from the battlements here. This looks like it could have been a moat at some point. The sloping walls on it. Well, are you coming as well, or are you staying there?
Oh, you're walking along.
Plenty of cannonballs. factory. It used to be full of gunpowder and so on. This little handle on the railings. There used to be a catapult here, and those are the stones it would catapult. Christine spotted an arrow slit. There are several. Christine's having a look through binoculars to see what the telescope up there might have seen. And here's what my telescope sees. Christine says she can see gravestones. The toilets are in the stables. We've come to the Stirling Castle shop for a quick look round. The unicorn features on their coat of arms, so there's lots of unicorn stuff here. Christine spotted this. Don't know what you'd call it. Oh, mini globe. There you go.
It's a glove box.
Yep, only £42. We're at a car park in Luss, very close to Loch Lomond. Just taking me a second machine to find one that will take my money, and I'm hoping this is the toilets. This is where Christine was heading. That's where I'm heading.
Do you want me over there? Maybe laughing.
I'm just doing a little scan first. Yeah, we were at Loch Lomond on our honeymoon. This is Luss Pier, where you can get on a ship and cruise around the loch. This looks like Luss water sports. You can probably water ski and all sorts with that boat. And then there's also a little canoe thing and so on. What a shame it's closed, we could have used that. Oh yeah.
I've already bought him some, so
Not on Tiger Spice as well. Although the official building is closed, there's lots. We're back at the hotel and we haven't been making consumption. And we've travelled 79.2